Do it again.
Poor kitty. Good kitty, good kitty. One more time, baby.
It's like
one more time.
Hi, Chele. Okay, hold on. Give her a break. There we go.
Yeah. Whoa.
Poor kitty. They're so mean to you.
Do it when she's eating.
No, because she starts licking her food.
I want to get an HD or like a better like a camera and actually record that. I bet that would do good on YouTube.
Nothing. She just gets real excited. She gets really excited.
Look at her. She's nuts.